One day I received a phone call from a patient who lived in North Carolina. She was having digestive issues and she wanted to treat her problem using natural supplements. Hi, my name is Dr. Sharon Pickford. Do you know of someone who desires services from a healthcare practitioner who lives outside of their geographical location? Through Telewellness, I'm able to meet the needs of my patients from all 50 states. Telewellness is a method of providing holistic health care remotely via video chat or by phone. It is a convenient option for people who are unable to visit the doctor's office and who prefer to stay at home. Options include one-on-one doctor's appointments, nutritional consultations, home exercise programs, supplement recommendations, and lab referrals, and so much more. The benefits include low cost, easy for people with disabilities, and great for older adults. So remember, remote care can mean the difference between treatment rather than no treatment at all. So call our team at Personal Touch Chiropractic today for your free consultation.